Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2014 Chevy Traverse. I'm going to start our walk around on the driver's side. Take a look at those tires there for you. Just looking for any signs of dents, dings, scratches, prior repairs. Nice dark gray color. Overall looks really good on the driver's side. Always looking for any marks at the bumper areas. Might indicate any prior repairs. A little scuffing there. Overall looks good, nothing major. And then coming up the passenger side, one little paint chip there. Overall looks good. Looking in the interior, you do have full power for the driver's seat. Nice sport cloth gray fabric. The odometer is 92,511. This does have AM, FM, XM satellite radio. All your controls and functions easy to get to here. And then it does have gray carpeting. Taking a look now in the second row. Just do a nice slow pan over the seats there, showing you they're in really good shape, as well as the flooring. Now you do have rear air controls back here and some additional charging ports for those back seat passengers. To gain access to the third row, you'll just slide this out of the way, and you have nice easy access to 3 more seats in the back. Taking a look in the back now. One nice feature, you do have a little extra storage back here, and then these seats do fold down very easily. One-hand operation, making a lot of extra cargo space. One more look in from the passenger side. There is a nice integrated armrest here for a little added comfort. Does have a little extra storage there too. Finishing up on the passenger side. One more last look around. And we may have failed to mention your backup camera is integrated in this touchscreen. And that'll wrap up your 2014 Chevy Traverse.